Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to block 18 plus content on Facebook. So, let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is open Facebook. Then, go to the menu at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the gear icon to enter the settings page. Once you're here, scroll down until you find Newsfeed. Just select that and then select Reduce. And then, tap Sensitive Content. What you need to do next is tap the Reduce More option. Once you've done that, go back to Settings and Privacy and select Navigation Bar. And then, select Customize the bar. Once you're here, you would find the options that says Auto. Go to the Video section, tap the Auto button, and then select Hide. Now, any sensitive content will be hidden. If you find this video informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.